Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can block websites on Google Chrome with the use of a very simple extension. So what we need to do is search for Chrome Web Store or just click on the link in the description as well as in the pinned comment. It will lead you to the extension itself. So just going to the Chrome Web Store right now, and we want to search for block site. Okay. Right here we want to go to the very first option, blocksite.com or .co, and we click on add to Chrome, add extension, and our block website extension has been installed. Click accept the privacy, and now we can exit out of this page. Now how do we block websites with this? Now here, as you can see, I have YouTube, but say I want to block YouTube so I can be more productive. How do we do that? So you gotta click on this puzzle piece right here which says extensions, and then we want to find our block site extension. Left click on it, and as you can see, it automatically detects the website and asks you if you want to block it. So all you have to do is click on block this site, and now site has been added to your block list. If we refresh the page, as you can see, it does not let you go here. Now another way how you can do this is by simply clicking on the block site extension and then clicking this cogwheel. It takes you to this page right here. It's going to run you through a little tutorial. And if you don't want to access the website itself, you can just very easily type the address here and you can block it directly even without entering the website itself. So that is how you do it. You can also set a schedule, and those are all of the features of this extension. I hope this was useful. I hope you learned something today. Leave a like, show this video some love, and I'll see you next time. Bye.